I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to my daily mathematical adventures. Today I'm looking at the Titans football field. We have green grass, sometimes artificial, but it's green grass. And we have a set of lines. This is the 45, this is the 50, this is the 45. All those lines are straight. Today we're going to study points, lines, and planes, the three fundamental concepts in geometry. This lesson's on points, lines, and planes. It's geometry, congruence, A1. We are to define the angle, circle, perpendicular line, parallel line, line segments, and rays based on undefined notions of a point and a line and a distance. Your I can statements are: I can identify and model points, lines, and planes. I can identify intersecting lines and planes. I can use correct mathematical terminology to describe geometric figures. Here's the vocabulary you'll need to know for today. A point is a dot in space. Let's get rid of the football field. Now I've gotten rid of the football field. A point is a dot in space. A point is a dot in space. A line is a group of points. It's two different points make a line. A rope is a line. Collinear means they are in the same line. These 2 points are in the same line. One pink one black one red one. They are in the same line. You can draw a line right across. You can draw a line right across and go through the middle of each point. A line segment is part of a line between 2 points. The segment bisector, we take a line and we cut it exactly in half. Think of a Twizzler. You bend it, you find the halfway, and you cut the Twizzler. Both halves are what we call congruent. That's the next word you had there. Congruent, same length. Now, when I was younger and I wanted to cheat my little brother, I'd pretend to cut it in half, but I didn't cut it in half. Mine was this long, his was a little bit shorter. That's non-congruent. They are not the same length. A plane is like a wall. There are 2 lines in a plane. My room here has 4 basic planes. I've got a ceiling, I've got a floor, and I've got 4 walls around the room. Coplanar means they are in the same plane. These 3 points are in the same plane. All right, I have a black point, red point, pink point. Here's a blue point. Are they lined up? Yeah, I think so. My yardstick is a straight line. If I go back to the football field, are all the lines parallel? Are they the same distance apart? They should be. If the field's, and that's NFL field, I guarantee it's been inspected. Sometimes I come across a high school field where the lines aren't always straight, but never in the NFL. Now, these points are linear. Are they linear now? Can I get any line that goes through all points? So this is non-linear. How many points are on this plane? This plane is a wall right behind me. It's straight up and down. These 3 points determine a plane. How many points are needed to determine a line? Just 2. Any 2 points, you can always draw a line between them. You can always draw a line between them. Now, your assignment today is going to ask you to look at another video that talks about lines, points, and planes. And then you've got some problems. And the problems are things like this rope or measuring tape. Does it look more like a line? Does it look more like a point? Or does it look like a plane? It'll ask you what happens when it'll ask you what happens when 2 lines cross. Where they cross? 1 point. And once again, the points and lines are invisible and have no thickness, but I can't do that with a ruler or ink pen. It's going to ask you about this piece of poster board here. Is it more like a line or is it more like a plane? It's more like a plane. We can put points and lines into it. Now, to recap, we have points, we have lines, and we have planes. We have coplanar, that is the same plane. We have collinear, same line. Please finish the rest of the assignment and watch the video.